Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you guys are still doing well. Today's video I'm gonna be trying on clothes, but then this time around I'm picking only blue and white outfits only. So just let me know in the comment section down below which of the outfits that I'm gonna be trying on it's your favorite, right? And then if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let's just dive into the video. Starting with the first outfit, né? So here I just chose to team up the white legging with the blue crop top. Okay, the white legging I bought it at Mr. Price, and then the crop top I got it at the factory, and then the chain I bought it at some Home Depot store at Polokwane, and then I also had to buy the padlock as well. Okay, this one is the second outfit. I bought the top, this crop top at the Fix, and then the bum short I bought it at Mr. Price, and then the belt I bought it at Mr. Price as well. And then the mask here, it's from Tagalog. Okay, this jean during my freshman year I ripped it. Okay, and I love it so much. I don't remember where I bought it. And then the top it's from the Fix, and then the belt I was wearing it in my previous outfit. You saw it. It's from Mr. Price. Okay guys, here I left the belt unfastened. Gimana got a style so. Style, so I love it when the belt is so unfastened. Okay, this outfit, ne, the short I bought it at Pep. It's 11 to 12 years. It's 11 to 12 years short. Okay, the top I won it already in my previous outfit. It's from the Fix, and then yeah, this outfit actually is an indoor outfit for me. I cannot wear it outside. I cannot wear it in public unless if I put on the kimono or the cardigan. This is the last outfit. The jean I bought it at Legit. If you remember that sale, that buy two for 250 sale, if you remember it, yeah, I bought it at Legit at that time. And then the top, the crop top, is also from Legit. Yeah guys, I love this outfit. This one is my favorite. Okay, yeah, and then don't forget to let me know in the comment section which of these outfits that I won already it's your favorite. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.